Hi everyone, this is my project of a Macropad. The case is printed with starlight filament and let me show you how it works. First of all, this is completely wireless. It has a built-in battery inside it of 1500 mAh and it runs on Raspberry Pi Pico. I have screwed it right now, but I will upload pictures of it. Here you go. Please refer to the pictures in my GitHub repo, which will show you how the internal circuit looks. So these are the keycaps which I printed online, and this is a knob. So this is the time that it shows right now, 11:49, and here it is. It fetches about every 5 seconds, so you could see it's 11:50 and it's 11:50. This button works as a previous song button. This is the play pause button. This is the next song button. This is the copy button. This is the paste button, and this is the backspace. On my computer I am running a Python server which looks for get and post requests from the Macropad Raspberry Pi Pico. Here you can see the server is running and this is our Macropad. So it takes a get request from the Macropad every about 5 seconds, as you could see, from which it reads the time from here. Now let me show you how it works. For example, if I change the volume, you can see that the volume minus shows up here, and we could see a post request from our Macropad. Now for example, if I want to play my music back, I need to press the center button. Here you could see we could get the post request. Now let me show you the next and back button. You could see on the display also it updates. Now let me show you the notepad functionality, the other three buttons. Example, if I write here hello and select it, now you can see it has copied. If I show you my clipboard, here you can see hello has been copied. Now if I want to paste it, you can see it shows pasted and it pastes. Now last functionality is the backspace. So this is how it works. The back, from here we could access our Pico. Here I have a switch also. Let me show you the switch. It's turned off. It takes a few seconds to turn on because it first connects with the server and then shows the screen. If I show you again my server logs, you could see many post requests with the timestamps. So this is my project. These were the few iterations and my workspace. I hope you liked it. Thank you.